Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on the second generation or 2015 to 22 Chevy Colorado in GMC Canyon. Before replacing any cabin air filter, I always recommend popping the hood and checking the air intake at the base of the windshield. Leaves and other debris collect here and can decompose, blocking airflow to the filter or overpowering its ability to block bad odors. You can see here we had a fair amount of debris built up, so we're going to go ahead and hit it with the vacuum cleaner. With the intake clear, we can head to the passenger side and open the glove box. The air filter is located right behind the glove box, so we need to gain access by pushing in on the sides of the glove box and moving the stops past the walls of the instrument panel, as seen here. Now my glove box put up a bit of a fight, so be ready to fight yours as well. With this area opened up, we can remove the air filter access door by pushing in on the retainers on either side. Before we remove the filter itself, make note of any directional markings indicating which direction the airflow is, and we want to make sure that the new air filter is installed in the same direction for best performance. If there's any debris located in the air filter housing, now would be the time to clean it out. After inserting the new air filter, we can reinstall the access door and push the glove box back into place as well. Finally, we can test the climate system to make sure we have good airflow through the air vents. And with that, our cabin air filter install is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving a like, checking out the channel, and I'll see you next time.